Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Warzone Jones here doing a Dragon Ball Z movie review. So this is for anime. If you like animes, check this video out. If you like Dragon Ball Z, check this video out. Now here we go. Cooler's Revenge. Dragon Ball Z Cooler's Revenge. Cooler, the brother of Frieza. Now I remember reading about Cooler. I read about him in this Dragon Ball Z book I had got. And I haven't seen him in action until probably like 2 or 3 years later after I finally, heard about him, read about him. And the movie I thought was excellent. It's an excellent movie. Pretty good movie. Good action. Pretty good story. It basically, Cooler's coming back to not really necessarily to get revenge for Frieza. Because he basically said he doesn't like Frieza. He doesn't care for him. He's getting back for him, trying to get revenge because he says he disgraced his family. So in the movie he says nobody disgraced my family and get away with it. So he basically fighting for his family's honor. He's trying to kill Goku, the man who killed his brother, because he basically embarrassed his family. So Cooler is trying to get revenge for that, not necessarily for his brother, because he had no love for his brother. Trust me on that. But the movie basically starts out, Goku, Gohan, and Krillin, and a couple more other, sad characters. They're basically trying to go out on a camping trip, trying to have fun. But as they're trying to have fun, that's when all hell breaks loose. Cooler comes to Earth. He comes to Earth and he attacks them. They get attacked. Gohan gets attacked. Krillin gets attacked. And Goku has to come and save the day like he always does. And, basically, Goku didn't really get off to a good start. He gets blasted in the back. And he basically is hurt through probably a little bit through the movie. Probably like 15 minutes of the movie. He's basically hurt and he has to get nursed back to health. But as they eventually does nurse Goku back to health, Goku is, he's Goku. He's beating everybody up. He's beating all the coolest henchmen. He's taking them out left and right, along with the help of Piccolo, of course. So Piccolo's there. He's helping them. But let's get to the fight. The big fight. Cooler versus Goku. Good fight. I thought it was a really good fight. These two had a really good fight. It was a knocked out, drag 'em out brawl. It wasn't as good as the fight between Goku and Frieza, of course, but that's okay. But this fight was still pretty good. Now, I didn't understand why Goku wouldn't just turn into a Super Saiyan right from the beginning. I thought that was a little weird, but Cooler was fighting Goku, and, after a while, Cooler realized, I can't beat him at this level. So what Cooler does is he upgrades himself, he upgrades his body, and he's transformed to his strongest state. That's what he does. And Goku continues to try to fight him at his normal state, and then he realizes, what? I can't beat him without turning into a Super Saiyan. So then these guys battle, and then Goku was too much for him. He was just too much for him when he turned into a Super Saiyan. Goku was just way too much for him. He was beating him down. Cooler got really desperate and he basically tried to destroy the planet while he was on it too. So he does this move where he gathers up a big giant energy ball and he tries to destroy the whole planet with him on it. He gets desperate just like Frieza did. They both got desperate when they just can't be Super Saiyans. That's just how it is. Cooler's family, they just can't F with the Super Saiyans. That's just how it is. So, once he turns into a Super Saiyan, Goku has to stop this big giant energy ball, and he does that with his will, of course, because we all know Goku has a lot of willpower and a lot of strength, and he basically shoots that ball right back at Cooler, and Cooler get hit by it, and then he gets shot right up into the sun, in outer space, and that's basically how that fight ended. So, that was a pretty good fight. I like that fight. I like this movie. If you're a Dragon Ball Z fan and you haven't seen this movie, it's called Cooler's Revenge. He is the brother of Frieza. It's a pretty good movie. I liked it. You may just like it as well. And I'm also may review the sequel to this movie, Cooler's Oh, what is it called? Cooler's Back? Cooler's... Something like that. I can't think of what it is right now. I know it's not Cooler's Revenge. I was about to say Cooler's Revenge. I believe it's called, damn, I really can't think of what it is right now. But I'll put it in the annotations right now because I literally just lost my train of thought what the name of that movie was. But that was my review of Cooler's Revenge. I thought it was a pretty good movie. So, this is Warzone Jones. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. I talk about wrestling, MMA, anime. Deuces.